Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio, we're taking a close-up look at the WhiteLine suspension grip kit for the 2014 to 2018 Mark III Ford Focus ST. The part number is GS1 FRD009. It'll set you back a little bit under $900, and you can shop for this and all your other parts and accessories at Motoroso.com, where you can browse hundreds of thousands of the top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Let's dig in. The Mark III Focus ST has been one of the most popular hot hatchbacks available since its debut in 2014. It's even been given the GTI a run for its money in the US market. And it's awesome, it's a super fun driving car right out of the box. But for those looking to take it to the next level for that performance driving, WhiteLine offers their Grip Series kit, and we think it's one of the best ways to take your already capable Focus ST and turn it into a track weapon ready to take on any of your local autocross events. And here's why. Your Grip Series kit is going to come with new progressive rate springs to replace the linear springs that come factory on the ST. Now, a progressive rate spring is going to essentially respond to the aggressiveness that you're driving. It's going to give you a firmer, more planted ride in those aggressive driving situations while maintaining a comfortable driving disposition in your daily driving when you're not pushing the limits. Now, it's also going to lower your ride height about 1 inch, which is not dramatic. It's not slamming your ST all the way to the ground, giving you trouble over speed bumps. It's just going to lower the center of gravity, increase the steering precision, and help prevent the body roll. Sway bars play a critical role in tuning and adjusting the handling performance of your vehicle. They act essentially like a spring that connects the left and the right side of the vehicles together and help plant and level the vehicle as it goes through a corner. Imagine you're taking a really hard right turn. The right side's going to kind of rise up and the left side's going to plant down. That spring uses its torsional stiffness to effectively bring down the side that's moving up to level the vehicle through the turn. And that's why it's so important that you have bars that are strong and adjustable. And that's why the WhiteLine kit comes with replacement front and rear sway bars. Now, your ST comes with a 25mm bar in the front and a 22mm bar in the rear. It's a little bit imbalanced. They were trying to get the rear end to track better with the front. But to help balance out those performance characteristics, both bars are 24mm front and rear, and additionally, they are adjustable, so you can fine-tune the front and rear performance as you want. So the front can be adjusted to 24 to 25 and in between at 24.5 just by playing with the mounting holes. Again, moral of the story, just lets you fine-tune exactly how the vehicle handles and performs. Now, the kit's springs are lowering your vehicle 1 inch in ride height, which, if you retained your factory sway bar end links, which are non-adjustable, that would actually preload those sway bars we just talked about. And that's going to give you a very low degree of control over how the sway bars perform. So the WhiteLine kit comes with adjustable sway bar end links, front and rear, of course, to help you set that back to neutral or give it a little bit of preload. Again, just giving you a wide range of adjustability and customizability to get exactly what you want out of the handling. When you get a WhiteLine grip kit, they're also going to include their ultra high-end polyurethane bushings. Up front, it's going to include these big fat bushings, which have little pockets that hold the polybendum grease. Make sure you don't have to constantly be re-greasing your bushings to stop it from making noise. In the rear, they use their new PTFE lined bushings, which have this cool little fuzzy liner that require no grease. So they're a greaseless bushing, no extra maintenance, and they're going to perform just great. Now, when you're really getting after it in your ST, your sway bars can actually slide inside the bushings side to side and reduce the torsional stiffness of the bar. Now, some companies will weld in a stop to prevent that, but that can actually negatively affect the consistency and the performance of the material. So the last part worth talking about on this kit is that WhiteLine includes these really nice machined aluminum anodized lateral locks that clamp on, butted up right against the bushing to prevent that side-to-side slide and that loss of torsional stiffness. So that completes our close-up look at the WhiteLine Grip Series kit for the 2014 to 2018 Mark III Focus ST. I hope you found the video helpful. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be doing a how-to installation guide with this kit as well. When you're ready to shop for this, check it out on Motoroso.com, where you can browse hundreds of thousands of the top name brand products in the aftermarket, sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Thanks for watching.